Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your own oat fufu by yourself at home. You know, homemade recipes are the best recipes, and I want you to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how you can tell the oats that is good for you, because some of those oats that are sold at the store are being bleached. You don't want to buy that. You want to buy the one that is good for you, which I'm going to show you how you can differentiate that. Okay, so and I'm also going to show you how you can prepare your oats by yourself at home. It's very easy to make. It doesn't take time at all, and you can enjoy your oat fufu with soup, any soup of your choice, like vegetable soup, okra soup, banga soup, which I'm going to leave those recipes on my description box, on the description box below. So check it out, because I made an okra soup recipe, I have that, and vegetable soup recipes, banga soup. I'll leave it in the description box below, so make sure you check it out and click it and learn how you can make yours. It's super delicious and very easy and quick to make. So thank you. Stick around to the end of this video and I'll show you what you need to know. Thank you. So guys, the first thing that I want you to be aware of when you go to the store to buy your oats is that you have to look out for this. You want to buy the one that says 100% whole grain. This is it, 100% whole grain. And you can see that this is another brand of oats. You can see it's not the same as the other one, and it still has this 100% whole grain. This is what you want to look out for, because not all oats are 100% whole grain, and some of them have this little yellow mark at the bottom of it. You can see it is 100% whole grain. Okay, so you can see here they say 100% of the grain is whole grain. That is what you want to buy, because there are some that you can see 75% whole grain, 25% whole grain, whatever percent whole grain. No, you don't want to buy that. You want to buy the one that says 100% whole grain. This is the one that is good for you. These are both different brands but the same 100% whole grain. This is the first tip you need to know. So you can measure your oats like this using a cup, just so you know the quantity, the amount that you're going to blend. So for this, just for this video, the purpose of this video, I blended 3 cups of these oats. I blended just 3 cups. But again, I'm going to tell you, because if you're somebody that eats oats every now and then, you want to make it in large quantity, because you don't want to run to your blender every time that you're hungry. So blend it like this, and that's the essence, that's the goal, that's what we want. You want to blend it into a powder form. Okay, so you want to blend it in large quantity, like I said, so that anytime that you're hungry, you know, you just go to the container that you put the powder in, and then you use it to make the fufu. Okay, but if you do it in small quantities like this, you don't want to go to your blender every now and then that you're hungry. You start blending it just from the scratch, and then by the time you're done, I mean, you're so hungry. It's better that you just do it in large quantity, like I said. So just for the purpose of this video, I had to do this, but after this I'm going to make it in large quantity, so that every time that I need it, I'll just go to my container and scoop some out of it and then use it. So stick around to the end of this video. I'll show you how you can make your oats, and don't worry about it if you make a little mess here and there. I had to clean up this because it was splashing, but that is okay. It's still part of the process, so just don't worry about it. If you spill a little bit, you still have a lot more. Okay. So keep blending till it is smooth, the powder is smooth. I also want to tell you that your oat flour can, your powder, oat powder or oat flour can stay in your container for about 6 months or more. You don't need to add any preservative. No, just leave it there and use it for about 6 months or more. That's how it can last before you need to blend or do another one. So here is the finished look of this powder. This is the finished look of the powder, and you can see it is smooth. This is what you want, okay? You want it to be fine, like a fine flour, smooth, okay? So I boiled about 2.5 cups of water in my pan. Use a non-sticking pan so that it doesn't burn at the bottom of it. So, and then I pour my oat powder into my hot water. As you can see, don't worry if you make a little mess, you're gonna clean it up later. And then use your spatula to stir it like this. Stir it to make sure you mix everything well. And I always like having my spoon by my side to help me, and some hot water beside, just in case I need some more water. I know I need to add a little bit of hot water, not cold water, okay? Just in case you need some water, make sure you add a little bit of the hot water, not cold water, because this will help with the cooking process fast. It will help faster with the cooking process. So after stirring, if your fufu is not still firm to your taste, just add a little bit of powder like I'm doing right now, oat powder like I'm doing right now, and then you go ahead and you stir it, and make sure you reduce your fire, your stove, your heat. Make sure you turn it to maybe medium, so that don't cook it on high. Put it on medium so that you do not end up losing a lot of oats at the bottom of your pan. And like I said, use a non-sticking pan. Do not use a stainless pot for this, otherwise you're gonna lose a lot of fufu at the bottom. So I had to clean as I go, clean as you go, okay? So, or you clean it when you're done with everything. So just stir it to make sure it is mixed well and the fufu is forming just like this. It doesn't take time at all. You can see that within few seconds, I'm telling you, within few seconds, this fufu is forming, as you can see. And you can see it doesn't take time. Like I said, it is ready. It is ready. When once it's formed like this, just know that your fufu is ready. But I just wanted to go ahead and stir it just a little bit, and I turned off my stove. As you can see, I turned off my stove so that I do not end up losing a lot of fufu at the bottom of my pan. And then you use your spoon to scrape it like this, and then you transfer your fufu into a plate. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is it, and I'm going to enjoy this fufu with my delicious okra soup, seafood okra soup, fresh fish soup. Okay, yummylicious, I'm telling you. So guys, make sure you try this recipe. Ooh, if you want to see how I make this soup, how I made this soup, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that this video has been helpful to you. If it has, give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe. When you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell icon and you select all. Click on all so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And I post videos at least 2 times every week. And also you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Savannah Niger Foodie. Savannah Niger Foodie. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you for your constant love and support. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.